Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure your device runs the latest iOS and you're signed into iCloud with two-factor authentication enabled. Open Wallet and tap the plus to add a card. Follow on-screen prompts and complete verification with your bank via SMS or their app. Once added, set your default card if desired. Doing this now ensures secure, quick payments so you can move on to configuring acceptance, terminals, and app integration. Once your card is in Wallet, integrate Apple Pay where you need it. For apps or websites, create a merchant ID, generate and install payment processing certificates, and configure your payment gateway endpoints. In native apps, enable Apple Pay capabilities and present the payment sheet. On web, use the Payment Request API and Apple Pay JS. Make sure to test in the sandbox environment, simulate successful payments, declines, and 3D secure flows, so you understand handling edge cases before going live. To complete the process, move to production. Replace sandbox certificates and keys with live ones, and confirm your gateway settings. Monitor initial transactions closely and capture logs for device tokens and payment responses. If a payment fails, first check certificate validity and that the merchant ID matches your domain or app bundle. Make sure bank verification completed and network connectivity is stable. If problems persist, regenerate certificates and re-verify the card. This single troubleshooting
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.